Bitcoin is about to create a move that nobody is expecting, and while that short-term price action is maybe looking a little bit bad for Bitcoin, well, I think that this is going to be a massive trap. So we need to be talking about that exactly. What is that next move for Bitcoin exactly going to be? Can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, first of all, in the beginning of the month of October, we have been seeing an ever so slight correction back towards the downside. Now, it was looking very, very good with this uptrend getting initiated, but still, Bitcoin has been moving towards the downside ever so slightly. But right now, it is starting to create this falling wedge pattern. A breakout is going to be inevitable, and a bounce from this massive level of support we are currently trading at, I think is going to be inevitable. Because right now, Bitcoin is creating this falling wedge pattern. We are getting squeezed in, and a breakout is going to be inevitable by today. Now, it is looking like we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, and definitely if we're going to be seeing a break towards the upside, a bounce towards the upside is going to be inevitable, as well as we can be seeing that Bitcoin on the hourly time frame is creating a little bit of a rounding bottom right now. So this is definitely starting to look great. So let's see if this bounce from this level of support is going to be getting initiated. Anyways, if we are going to be seeing a bounce from this current level of support, well, yes, we are going to be creating once again another higher low, and in that case, we're definitely flipping this downtrend in towards an uptrend right now, and then another higher high is going to be inevitable above this previous high over here. And whenever we are going to be breaking above this previous high over here, that is only going to be the catalyst for a way bigger move that is about to come, because at that point, of course, we are going to be breaking outside of our bull flag pattern. Now, I do still think that regardless what is going to be happening in that short term, October is still going to be a very bullish month for Bitcoin. If history were to be an indication of what is going to be happening next for Bitcoin, well, like last year, what you could be seeing is that after a little bit of a dump towards the downside for Bitcoin, we have seen an amazing and a huge bump towards the upside. And also, if we're going to be having a look into the average month of October, we have already been seeing an average 20% gain for the month of October. So that is going to be huge. I do still think that the month of October is going to be ending off as a very bullish month. Now, it doesn't really matter what's going to be happening in that imminent short term. Maybe we can be seeing a little bit more consolidation. Maybe we are not going to be seeing this move towards the upside getting initiated right now, but eventually, still in the month of October, I do think that eventually we're going to be getting this massive move towards the upside getting initiated. Anyways, if we are going to be having a look into the stock market, yes, the stock market is moving towards the upside ever so slightly. We are once again seeing an ever so slight bounce towards the upside. So like I've been telling you yesterday, well, if we are going to be seeing a bounce from this level, and if we are once again going to be seeing new all-time getting created, I just think that Bitcoin is going to be following, and I do still think that Bitcoin is yet to catch up with the stock market because it has been bouncing towards the upside yesterday. So let's see if the Bitcoin is indeed going to be creating this bounce. Now, anyways, yes, I have been saying that Bitcoin and the stock market, of course, is very correlated towards each other. And if the stock market is going to be breaking towards the downside over here, definitely I do expect that Bitcoin is also about to break even lower. But if the stock market is going to be bouncing even more towards the upside, definitely I'm going to be expecting that Bitcoin is about to follow and is also about to see this move towards the upside getting initiated. Anyways, guys, still the Bitcoin funding rates are trading very, very low, below the neutral levels. So that is still making me feel very bullish at these current levels. And that is still making me think that we are about to see another move towards the upside. The majority of the Bitcoin market is right now actually trading short, which is a very good thing because Bitcoin tends to go towards the places where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at, and if the majority is short, that liquidity is getting built up on that top side. So guys, if you're also going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to be checking out these two links down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a 60,000 US dollar deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a 500 US dollar free trade and a 40,000 US dollar deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out with these two links down below. Anyways, in that longer term, we should still just be really and really patient. We are still just trading inside of this bull flag pattern. We have been trading inside of this pattern for like 7 months or almost 8 months right now. Now, eventually, still, I do think that we are going to be getting a massive breakout. And whenever we are going to be getting this breakout towards the upside, a move like this is going to be getting initiated. So that is why we should be a little bit patient. Now, it could be happening any moment now. So do be prepared for if that move is about to come. The biggest Bitcoin bull market is about to start whenever we're going to be breaking outside of this bull flag pattern over here, but it is not happening yet right now. Anyways, we are going to be waiting for this massive move going to be getting initiated. We are right now seeing our second move getting created, that second period of low volatility in this Bitcoin cycle, and that tends to be the period, the starting point of a parabolic Bitcoin move getting initiated towards the upside. So do keep that in mind. USDT is right now going parabolic. This is only going to be bullish for the Bitcoin price in the long run. And also in 27 days, we are going to be getting the US elections, which is going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. Always during election years, always after the elections, usually stock market prices tend to go parabolic. Usually the Bitcoin price tends to go parabolic. So yes, these elections are once again going to be insanely and mega bullish for the Bitcoin price, like you can be seeing in this chart over here. So yeah, anyways guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.